Having personally wrestled with persistent game issues and dedicating extensive time to testing solutions, I've uncovered several reliable approaches that genuinely work, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. This video will show you how to fix Spt Tarkov Clrdll crash and net error in Steam Deck, helping you get back into the action. First, we tackle issues with the game's core files. Sometimes, parts of the game get broken or go missing, causing crashes. By making sure all game files are perfect and up to date, we stop these basic errors from happening. Next, we look at your internet connection. A net error means the game can't talk to the servers properly. This might be due to a weak Wi-Fi signal, old router settings, or other things blocking your connection. We improve this communication pathway so your game stays online. Then we dive into your Steam Deck's system health. The Clrdll crash often points to problems with your operating system or graphics software. Keeping these updated and free from corruption ensures the game has a stable environment to run in, preventing sudden shutdowns. Finally, we explore game-specific settings and workarounds. Sometimes, the game itself needs a little tweaking to play nice with your Steam Deck's power or display settings. By adjusting these, we can often avoid crashes caused by the game pushing the system too hard. These methods cover the main reasons your game might be failing, giving you a smooth experience.